Hey guys, welcome to this session. New topic is magnetism. So in this topic, we'll start discussing about the concept of magnetism. Here we'll see how magnets they can occur and etc. About mainly briefly, uh, just a simple introduction to this topic, magnetism. So we'll start with the occurrence of magnetism. Now, we have to know that the iron, nickel, and cobalt are the only natural occurring magnetic materials. So these are just mainly the ones that are only naturally occurring magnetic materials. Means magnets can either be naturally or they can be artificially made. So these three are the only ones that are naturally occurring. Now, magnet has two ends that are known as magnetic poles, in which the greatest attraction power is concentrated. So the greatest attraction power, that is the attraction of these magnets or magnetic material to each other. This the attraction power is very concentrated at the magnetic poles, which are just the two ends that a magnet has. Now let's see the various common terms that are related to this magnetism. First one is the magnetic substances. Magnetic substances, these are substances which have a property of being attracted by a magnet. So simply these are just the materials that can act to magnetic forces. Take an example, iron, steel, cobalt, and nickel. These are just few of the examples of the substances that have a property of being attracted by a magnet. Pole strength, this refers to the ability of the magnet to attract objects. So that simple ability or just a capability of a magnet to attract other objects is what we call the pole strength. Ferromagnetic substances, these are just substances that have very high magnetic susceptibility, that is easily magnetized. So these are just the substances or materials that can be easily magnetized. Take an example, as we say, these iron, nickel, and cobalt, which are the natural occurring magnets. So they are the ones that can be easily magnetized. Electromagnet, this is the substance or just a material which requires electric current to attain magnetism. So any material that needs electric current has to attain magnetic forces is what we call the electromagnet. Permanent magnet, this is simply a substance uh, is a substance which is already a magnet. It does not require electric current to attain magnetism. You can take it from the word there permanent, which means it's settled there like for a long time or it cannot be removed. So permanent magnet is just like a material which has this magnet and it doesn't require like any kind of force just to attain magnetism. So it has this magnetism which is there and it will stay there for a long time. Non-magnetic materials or substances, these are substances which are not attracted by a magnet. Take an example, copper plus aluminum, glass, plastic, and wood. All these are just substances which are not attracted by a magnet. So if you place a magnet near to them, they won't act to these magnetic forces. So these substances have very weak magnetic properties. So I hope it's clear, guys. Thank you for listening. We've shortly got into the introduction of this topic, magnetism. Simply we've seen the occurrence of all magnets. We've later on seen the various common terms that you can face within this topic, or you just see them in this topic. I hope it's clear. Thank you.